Good evening, everybody. Myself, Kaumudi from Bharat CXO. We have Supriya here from MadVR. So let's ask some questions to her. Good evening, Supriya.
Good evening, Kaumudi.
So first of all, I would like to know what is exactly MadVR about?
Okay, so MadVR Solutions Private Limited, we are a virtual reality platform. MadVR stands for Medically Applied Designs for Virtual Reality. We design virtual reality surgical modules. So this is from the perspective of training as well as marketing. So training per se, when we talk training purposes, it means that specifically for medical colleges, medical training institutes, as well as hospital per se, specifically the hospitals which have PG seats, fellowship seats, for PG doctors. So these surgical modules are designed with an intention that they help in bridging the gap that currently exists because of non-availability or less availability of cadavers. So yeah, our intention is to provide surgical training which will help bridge this gap to a very good extent.
That's quite interesting.
Yeah.
So how is the MadVR? How is the VR into healthcare? So how does it work in healthcare?
Okay, so right now what we're doing when it comes to healthcare is our primary focus, like I said, is for training. We design it in such a way, the surgical modules are designed in such a way that the students, specifically the junior doctors who are training for their surgery, they get a virtual experience in a virtual environment which is designed as, say for example, an operation theater. So they get a hang of the entire surgery right from the beginning, from scratch, like the pre-operative training, or if there is a scenario-based simulation that is required, or even for that matter, say mistake-based surgery. So any surgeon, a junior surgeon who's learning in the beginning, lands up making any kind of mistake, like say for example, instead of making a 2 mm cut, he makes a deeper 3 mm cut. So all of these mistakes are recorded and analytics are generated. So these generated analytics, they help in making sure that the next time when the surgeon is doing the same kind of surgery, that is not repeated, or at least because of that repetition, there is a lot betterment in the techniques that the surgeon is going to follow when he actually works on a cadaver or sees an actual patient. So this is the kind of advancement and benefits which virtual reality is going to provide to the upcoming surgeons or the junior surgeons who are training for their surgery right now.
Okay, that's so interesting. So very interesting. So lastly, I would like to conclude the interview by asking you, what is the future of VR in the healthcare industry? What is the future? What can you say?
So the future is, sky is the limit, like we can say. However, to be very specific to what we are doing, we have started with the orthopedic department right now, and we have about 7 to 8 surgeries which are ready, and we have another 8 which are under development. And also to mention very specifically, we are expanding into all the other departments right now. Specifically, I would say the cardiology and the neurology is the next in line. However, the most important thing is we customize surgeries as well, specifically according to organization or client requirements. Say for example, if anybody wants a cataract surgery to be developed, we do that specifically according to every little requirement that they have. See, if they have a specific patient case to be done, we do it in that way as well. So we take care of client requirements according to their needs and with complete customization. So this is where we see our organization headed, and we want to make sure that when it comes to surgical training and marketing, to all of our students as well as to customers, we give them the best from our end.
Okay, that was a lovely conversation with you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ritika.
Thank you so much, Kaumud.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.